Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to add or change your profile photo in the Candy Crush game app on your phone. This is a simple process that lets you personalize your account and make your gaming experience more fun and unique. First, open the Candy Crush game app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the settings icon. Then, tap on Account and Help. After that, click on My Account. Here, you will see a camera icon next to your current profile picture, or avatar. Click on this camera icon to proceed. Next, you will see an option labeled Change Image. Tap on it. If the app asks for permission to access your storage or photos, select Allow. This permission is necessary for the app to access your gallery. Then, click on Browse. This will open your phone's gallery where you can select any photo you want to use as your profile picture. Once you have chosen your desired image, click on Save Image to apply the changes. Finally, your new profile photo will appear in your Candy Crush account, and you can enjoy a personalized look while playing the game. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching.